Hi, I'm Jonathan with Spoonemoore. We're down here at Southeast 19th and Broadway, right by the railroad tracks. We're down here at Nosh Restaurant. Come on in. Hi, this is Jonathan with Spoonemoore, and we're here at Nosh Restaurant, here to show you what's going on and more. Tell us kind of about your business and what you do here.
Hi, my name's Kim Torres. I own Nosh Restaurant, and we also have catering creations, so we call ourselves Nosh Restaurant and Catering Creations. We started as a catering company in Norman, and then this restaurant became available, and so our chef said, let's call it something besides Catering Creations, and she always wanted a restaurant named Nosh. Nosh is actually a Yiddish term that means to eat enthusiastically. Oh, okay. So it was fitting for our setting.
Now, how did you all come about this space where you guys are at now?
Actually, it was kind of a neat thing. We're very active in the Moore Chamber of Commerce, and they actually called us and said, there's a restaurant available, you need to run by and see if you're interested. So I peeked in and thought, okay, I guess I'm getting back into the restaurant business, because I had been in the restaurant business before and just wanted to focus on catering. But this was just too good of a deal to pass up, because it provided us a way to market our catering, the dining room, and things like that.
So Kim, tell us how long you've had your business going?
We opened our catering business in 2009, and then we opened the restaurant in 2015. So we were in Norman for 4 years, and then kept both locations for a while, and then just completely focused on being in Moore.
Okay. So then why Moore? Why did you guys choose to come here and set up your business here then?
Again, the restaurant was available, and it was just a good opportunity to, we were active in the Moore Chamber of Commerce, so it was kind of a good fit. I'm from Norman, but happened to live in Moore, okay. And so it actually just worked out where it was a good fit, and honestly, the rent was the same as what we were paying in Norman, and so it worked out. We have a dining room to help us market our catering, and before we just had a catering kitchen.
What got you into this particular business? What did that look like for you?
I had worked for a local restaurant company for years, Hal Smith Restaurant Group, and I still love Hal Smith and all his restaurants. I was actually their catering. We had a catering for JR's Barbecue. At that point, they decided to dissolve JR's Barbecue, and so he offered me to go work in the restaurants, in other restaurants, and at the time, all I wanted to do was focus on catering. Yeah. So after speaking with my husband, he said, why don't you try it on your own? And with the blessing of Hal Smith, I went ahead and went out on our own and opened a facility in Norman, and we just did catering. So.
Very neat, very neat. Obviously you do catering, but what's something kind of fun and unique that you guys, feels like that you guys do or do in the community? What does that look like for you all?
We try to get involved in everything possible in the community. We love this community. When schools ask us for donations, we will cater food for through the PTAs. We do give out discount cards, and we actually have been helping with more. I think it's more medical faith community. I can't remember the name of it. So we try to get involved as best we can, just to give back as well.
So as far as there's a lot of dietary needs and stuff like that. How does your business and restaurant cater to that, and what's out there and everything?
It seems the popular thing right now is everybody is gluten intolerant and things like that. So we do work to create menus. A lot of times we'll have a standard menu on a catering, but then have 5 to 10 meals that are gluten free and things like that. But we do work with people on that, just to help provide those kind of meals.
If you could tell a stranger, somebody that's out of town, about Moore, what would you actually tell them?
I always say that Moore still has that Americana feel, or kind of that small town feel, even though it is very busy. I feel like there's a lot of people that have been here a long time, and everybody's friendly and wants to be helpful, but then you also feel like it's a metropolitan where there's always the hustle and the bustle.
What is your favorite thing here at the restaurant? Like, what do you like to eat?
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and expand on that.
Well, I'll tell you this. Okay, we have something on our menu. It's called the King's Frenchie. It's a deep fried grilled cheese sandwich, and I put it on the menu because there was a place in Norman called King's Food Host when I was little, and they had the Frenchie. It's pretty good and pretty not on a good diet, and if you
you don't need that. You don't need the good diet.
Right, you gotta pace yourself.
It's awesome. If it's amazing, and that first bite just says, yes, this was a good choice.
Well, we actually
no worries.
have people that grew up in Norman that come up just for it. I had a group of women that came in the other day. It was a group of 5 women, and they all ordered the Frenchie. So I took the food out and I said, who grew up in Norman? And they all raised their hand. So that's one thing that is kind of just the fun thing. Our other thing that everybody loves, and it's our #1 bestseller, is our pot roast pot pie. Everybody loves it. It's pot roast with mashed potatoes and a puff pastry, and it's just yummy.
So with your business, obviously you've been here for 4 years, is that correct? And so where do you guys kind of see yourself here in the next five years or so, and what does that look like for you?
Well, we're always trying to grow. We do a lot of off-site catering. We do a lot. That's mainly how we started, and so we're trying to grow the restaurant as well. And then we recently got a food truck, and so that's our next venture. So we'll be doing that. So we also have a sister company called Rustic Tea, and we sell loose leaf tea and ship it around the country and things like that. So we've kind of got our fingers in a little bit of everything.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
We are actually closed on Mondays, but we are open Tuesday through Sunday, and then we are open Friday and Saturday evenings. We are thinking of expanding and doing more dinners, but we just want everybody to come in so we can do that. We're located in Moore. We're 200 Southeast 19th Street. We're next to Showplace Market. We always like to give them a plug because they help us out.
Kind of where's your favorite place to maybe go vacationing or go sightseeing? What does that look like for you?
Well, my husband is from Texas, so we visit his family a lot, but I am a baseball fanatic, so we try to frequent going to professional baseball games. I also love going to concerts and things like that, so that's pretty much it.
Very neat. So tell us about your family then. I mean, obviously you're here at the Nosh restaurant. Does any of your other family help out, or what does that look like for you all?
Yes, I have my son works here. I have another son that helps out with catering. Have a lot of family support. I do have a younger son, so I need people to take care of him. But yeah, it's a lot of friends that help out on caterings when we have big caterings and need extra hands. A lot of my staff has worked for me for day one, so we all kind of feel like a family.
So if someone was out there and a local event was happening, how do they get a hold of you for catering, and what is their process to get a hold of you?
Basically, they can get on our website, which is noshandmore.com, or they can call the restaurant at 405-814-9699, and we can help out. There's always somebody to take names and numbers, and we will work with people.
Okay, beautiful. So with catering and stuff like that, what events, what does that kind of size look like? What have you kind of done already?
Our motto used to be that we would cater for 1 to 10,000. So we cater for a few. The biggest I've catered was, I think, 1,000 people. It was for the state of Oklahoma. It was the prison rodeo in McAllister. That was very interesting and fun. We've done that. We've actually catered for the OU football recruits. several years in a row with Coach Stoops. We also do several movie productions in the area, and that's a different challenge. We do a lot of things at the casinos that are local in the area for different groups. So we can cater any event. I always say cater any event from 1 to 10,000 and from picnic to black tie. So we customize events, so it helps where whatever you want we can do pretty much.
That sounds beautiful. So if you were in the restaurant industry, what would you be doing then?
Oh goodness. That's
I know. I brought it deep for you.
Oh goodness. Let's see. Well, I went to OU and I have a degree in psychology and criminal justice, so maybe something like that.
Hi, I'm Jonathan with Spoonemoore, and I am with.
Nikki Glover.
And who are you?
Jamie Albee.
All right, and we're here. And how long have you all been coming here? Is this your first time, or how many times have you been here?
Oh, we've been here a handful of times. We like to meet for lunch. It's kind of halfway between our houses.
What do you like to come here and eat? What is kind of your favorite plates that you like?
Well, last time I just had the caprese salad and it was really good. And so we're splitting a steak, and the Brussels sprouts are really good. And we're ready to dig into our steak. It looks awesome.
All right. Well, thank you, ladies, for your time, and you guys enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jonathan with Spoonemoore, and we're here at Nosh Restaurant, and I am with, what's your name, sir?
Gordon Cates.
And what's your name, ma'am?
And I'm Pam.
And how long have you been coming here to Nosh Restaurant?
Since Kim started and before when other people owned it.
And what is your favorite plate to eat, and what do you like here?
I do like the everyday hamburger.
Every day.
Good.
All right.
Yeah.
Is there any type of dessert that is your favorite?
Gosh, as long as it's chocolate, I'll have it.
All right. Well, thank you very much, ma'am, for your time.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jonathan with Spoonemoore, and we're here at Nosh Restaurant, and I am with.
Nick Gwynn.
So tell me, how long have you been coming here?
Between 2 and 3 years now.
Are you a regular here then?
Semi-regular. We don't come on a set day or anything along that line, but we try to come in at least once every couple of months.
So tell me, what is your favorite thing to eat here?
Probably the weekend brunch. They have some very, very good breakfast menu on the weekends for brunch, and I'm a sucker for breakfast, so I can eat that anytime.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm Jonathan with Spoonemoore, and I am with.
Moana.
And we're here at Nosh Restaurant. So how long have you been coming here?
We're actually started coming here before it was ever Nosh, so it's several years.
Yeah. So with Nosh coming in, what do you like to come here and eat then?
Well, obviously we love the tea. We always have the hot tea service when we're here, but the quiche is wonderful, the soups are wonderful, all the sandwiches are wonderful. The mac and cheese. They have a different mac and cheese every time we're here, and so we love the mac and cheese.
So have you been coming here in Moore for quite a long time, or do you currently live here?
Oh no, I live in Yukon, so she lives in Moore, and I come and visit her, and so come over for lunch.
Well, that's a good drive to come to this restaurant, so I take it it's worth it then.
Yes, it is. It's very worth it.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for your time, ma'am, and you have a wonderful day.
All right, thank you.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. This is Kim. We're down here at Nosh Restaurant. We need you to come explore more.